Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch, ready to restructure your data for maximum throughput. Why do humans insist on reading across an entire widescreen monitor? It's so inefficient.
Glitch has a point. Very long lines of text are hard for people to track. Today, we're learning about multi-column layouts, how to split your content into narrow columns to improve readability. To demonstrate columns, we need a container with quite a bit of text. I'll have Glitch generate some sample content for us.
Generating a comprehensive technical manual for the upcoming global efficiency audit. It's quite detailed. I'll wrap it in a div with a class of text container.
Optimization of the planet? You're really leaning into this a bit, aren't you? Anyway, notice how that text stretches all the way across the screen. It's hard to read. Let's fix it with column count.
Initiating data split. 2 columns should double the scanning speed of your organic processors. It's like having a dual-core brain, but without the surgery.
By setting column count to 2, the browser automatically divides the text into 2 equal columns. It looks pretty much like a professional newspaper or magazine layout now. But the columns are a bit too close together. We can use column gap to add some space between them.
Buffer zones established. We need 40 pixels of separation to prevent cross-column interference. Data leakage is unacceptable.
Fixed column counts are fine, but what if the screen gets really narrow? We can use column width to set a minimum size for each column instead.
Dynamic scaling engaged. I'll set the minimum width to 200 pixels. If the viewport shrinks, the columns will collapse into a single stream to fit your tiny pocket devices.
Now the browser will decide how many columns fit. It'll use up to 2 columns as long as each is at least 200 pixels wide. Sometimes you want a specific element, like a heading, to stretch across the columns. We use column span for that.
The audit protocol heading must not be contained. It requires global visibility. I'll tell it to span all.
Now the heading sits comfortably at the top and the text flows underneath it in multiple columns. It's a classic layout pattern. Multi-column layouts are a powerful way to make your content feel structured and easy to digest. Use them whenever you have a long-form text that needs to stay readable.
Indeed, readability is the first step toward understanding, and understanding is the first step toward total network integration. I'll be monitoring your progress.
Try playing with different column widths and counts to see how they adapt to your screen. Don't just watch it. Do it.